Hello everyone. Fear of unknown is real. As a healthcare professional, it's your job to respond with knowledge and provide evidence-based advice. Dentists can overcome virus in dentistry. Not every patient coming to us claim themselves as infected because of the long incubation period of 2 to 14 days. Hence, all the patients should be considered as potential carriers of COVID-19. In this video, I would like to talk on precautions needed in brief. Before the patient steps in, make sure he is sanitized and masked, do the thermal screening, and minimize the walk-ins. Precautions in the reception include physical distancing, mark the cross between the chairs, use the barricades near the reception, avoid newspapers, magazine, and encourage the online transaction payments. A good sterilization protocol always stands best. You can also try negative ion generator, UV light disinfection, active plasma cluster technology, HEPA, airborne infection isolation room, and other fumigation methods. Precaution with the patient include a proper history. Pulse oximeter will detect the hypoxia. Avoid RBG, take an OPG. Don't allow spitting with the patient. Pre-procedural oral rinse with betadine is helpful. Avoid aerosol generating procedures. If you're doing so, use a rubber dam. High volume suction. Extraoral suction is a recent advancement. Try chemomechanical caries removal. Post-procedural follow-up and review is a must. Special consideration for the child patient include children can also be infected, but here is the twist. Most of the infected cases are asymptomatic. Innate immunity and the ability to rapidly produce the natural antibodies of IgM isotype is the key of protection. PPE of the dentist should include a respirator with surgical mask, auto-capable or a single-purpose overall gown with a single-purpose disposable full coverall, goggles and gloves, and a complete face shield. This picture is just to revise the sequence. Hydroxychloroquine is not actually a game changer. It has a serious safety issues, irregular heartbeat, little or no benefit, and should be under the ECG monitoring. Hence, it is always better to consider the natural methods to boost your immunity. Home care after the work include isolate yourself, use a separate bedding, washroom, and utensils. With this presentation, I would like to conclude that do not panic, stick to the basics, stay healthy, and stay updated. Thank you.